Okay, so let's say you want to be able to make a zoom in video and a zoom out video. Not to worry, I'm going to be showing you how to go about it. So let's head over to CapCut quickly. Okay, you bring in your new project. Sure. You bring in your new project. Let's use this one. Okay. Yeah, it is. So now you want to be able to zoom in and out. So here is how to go about it. First you click on the video, then you go in. So you click on the keyframe. Here it is. You click on the keyframe. Okay. That's the part you want to zoom out. Okay. The part you want to zoom out. So this is it. I want to zoom out. And you click on it again. Okay. Click on it again. So the part you want to, this is it here. Then you zoom out. Can you see that? Can you see that? You zoom. You see? Surprise! Here it is. Now you want to zoom out again. Come. Here it is. Can you see? You want to zoom in again. You go again. Let's say you click on the keyframe again. And then okay, can you see that? So that's how to go about it, okay? So if you found my video helpful, do wait to like, share, and comment. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.